Hello, myself Sunil Rambushan. So that is basically not done by the education department basically. Education government department. That is not done by that basically. That is done by some other group basically. So that might be some different department basically, which might not be in front of the public basically. That possibilities are there basically. So I assume that basically they have some 1 crore people basically, 1 lakh people. 1 crore might not be there basically. To reach to this department basically, you have to clear these exams basically. Same way basically is to get the chartered accountant certification basically. You have to clear CA degree basically. That is the chartered accountancy syllabus basically you have to clear basically. Same way basically here also basically things might be basically you have to clear these all exams, and on the base of this exam basically you get the certification basically. So 1% of the yes basically, then you basically gets the authority basically to work with that group basically, to work with that group basically. So you can just imagine basically the person who are into the book creation, changes in the book creations, that also basically have one group basically, and they designs basically this everything basically, and they have designed this everything basically how the scenario basically of power supply basically is going to work of if condition, while condition, data basically. So next year.